Now, human rights activists, the Law Society of Kenya and the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Union staged a protest along Nairobi streets demanding the release of Ugandan opposition politician Kizza Besigye. They slammed Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni's regime, labeling it authoritarian and oppressive. They delivered a petition to the National Assembly demanding that the government takes responsibility for the abduction and rendition of Besigye before marching to the Ugandan Embassy, where they demanded his release. Melita Oletenges has more.
The protest began at the Aga Khan Walk, where demonstrators marched with banners and chanted songs condemning Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni's rule, calling for the immediate release of opposition leader Kizza Besigye.
If the charges brought against him are false, we believe it's a way for Museveni to attack him. This is how the Ugandan government deals with critics, and we want him released immediately so that he can continue his march to democracy.
Kizza Besigye is actually a doctor who worked in Kenya before. He worked in Aga Khan. He also worked at Kenya National Hospital. So it is an issue that if an injustice is made upon him, then we cannot sit back and say, no, he's a Ugandan. We cannot forget the services he offered in the country. So as a profession, as a fraternity, we are saying, the justice done to one is a justice to all.
The activists continued their march to the National Assembly, where they presented their demands to members of parliament, urging the government and security agencies to be held accountable for the abduction of Besigye and his forcible return to Uganda. They also called for MPs to take a stand on the issues facing Besigye in Uganda.
We would not want an East African community dominated by authoritarian characters. Yes. We want a people-centered, a people-based East African community.
Yes. If somebody has wronged the law or wronged the people, a proper procedure must be applied. So we are happy you have come to Parliament, and we will do our level best to make sure that these petitions are processed.
They then proceeded to the Ugandan Embassy on Riverside Drive, where they held another protest, reiterating their demand for Besigye's release. However, police officers blocked them from entering the embassy grounds. Kizza Besigye is currently detained at Luzira prison in Uganda, facing charges of treason for allegedly organizing fundraising meetings in Switzerland, Greece and in Kenya. Besigye, along with his aide Obeid Lutale and lawyer Aaron Kizza, remain in detention, with reports of Besigye's health worsening due to a hunger strike. Melita Oletenges, Citizen TV.